What if I told you that you can make $450 for free without working? This one AI tool is making this a reality for a few people that know about it, and I'm about to expose the 3 sites that will pay you to use this new AI software. The best part about this is that you could be a complete beginner at any age, and you could do this from the comfort of your home. Hey, we're doing a cash giveaway on our channel. We're giving away up to $50 to 10 people. The choice is yours. Watch the full video, like and share the video, and click the giveaway link in the description below to join this giveaway. Hey, welcome back. Now, before I show you exactly how to earn $450 per day for free utilizing AI, make sure you subscribe, like and share this video, and turn on the notification bell so that, whenever we publish a new interesting video like this, you will be notified as fast as possible. Let's get started. Now, the 2 steps to earning $450 for free with artificial intelligence are: Step 1, I'll be revealing the top AI tool that will do the work for you. Step 2, I'll be showing you 3 platforms that will pay you to use this AI tool. So, the very first platform is not the highest paying platform, but definitely one you want to get started with, utilizing your AI tool, is DesignCrowd. So, if you go to designcrowd.com, you're going to scroll all the way down to the very bottom of the page, and you're going to go to popular pages and design contests. These design contests are literally companies out there that will pay anywhere from $100 upwards of $5,000 to people who submit logo designs to their company. If they like your design, they will pay you the prize. So, we're going to go to the design contests. There are 59,000 design contests going on right now as we speak, and you can submit logos to each one of them. Now, as you see, this one is design a dashiki-inspired graphic for a hoodie. They need a logo, and they're paying us €70, and there are currently 23 designs that have been submitted. This $300. This one's $200 with 20 designs submitted. This one's $150 with 354 designs submitted. So, what I would look for is the highest paying design contest with the lowest amount of submissions, so you have a higher chance to make more money. So, what I would do is spend 30 minutes to an hour submitting at least 100 different designs. It should take you 15 seconds to generate them with BrandCrowd, the AI logo generator, right, using artificial intelligence. And then we can go ahead and submit all of these. As you see, some of them are paying $390, some of them $150. And there are 5,900 pages of different design contests you can submit. But this is not the highest paying site. There's definitely one. Once you're done with all of these, submitting, making hundreds, maybe even thousands of dollars, you can move on to the next site. Now, the next site is called Freelancer. Freelancer.com also has design contests that you can enter. You just have to go all the way to the bottom. And again, you're going to go to contests under Freelancer. And that's going to take you to this page where there are current designs going, as you can see. There's one with 5 days left, they're paying $100. This one's paying $200, 4 weeks left. This one's paying $400 with 5 days left. They just need a 3D design for a psychedelic company, right? And they're going to pay $400. So, again, you can press on View All Contests, and there's just hundreds and hundreds of contests. Some of them are paying up to $400 on this particular site. So, this is a good site to get started with. Now, let's go ahead and move on to the last site, which is the highest paying site. This one is called DesignHill. Okay, designhill.com. Now, their contests have a specific filter that I want you to filter by so that you get paid the most. Now, you're going to go down. You're going to select Contest Status, All. And then you're going to go to Highest Price first. Okay, this is the first filter. There is one more filter that I want you to follow, but you're going to go to Highest Price first. And as you can see, this design company or this company is paying $4,000 for a design, right? $4,000. And then, as you can see, this company right here needs an animal and pet logo for their pet company, and they're paying $3,597. Okay, so this is pretty cool, and you can go ahead and submit your design to this specific brand right here. And you can keep going down the list. I would go to a couple of pages of the highest price ones. Then what I want you to do is filter by. You're going to filter by least entries first. Because when you filter by least entries first, this is going to give you the best opportunity to make the money. Because there's literally, like, this one needs an animal and pet logo design, and there's 0 designs submitted, and they're paying out $399 bucks. So, this could be yours simply because no one saw this and no one submitted a design. So, this is an easy cash grab right here on DesignHill. Now, these are great. You could definitely make a few $100 or even a few thousand. Okay, so that's it guys. Make sure to join our Telegram channel so that you won't miss any new update. Please subscribe to our channel, like and share the video, and turn on the notification bell so that whenever we publish a new interesting video like this, you'll be notified as fast as possible. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.